Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add bots on Discord server. So in order to add bots on Discord server, go to Google Chrome on your device and in the search box type in Discord bots and click on the first options that appears on your screen interface. Once you click on the option, it will take some time to verify. Once it's verified, suppose I want to add this bots on my Discord server, so I'm gonna select the first one, click in the option invite. So in this option you will need to select a server. I have selected my server and now click on continue button and afterwards click on authorize button. Now they will ask you if you are woman or not. Obviously I am, so I'm gonna click on yes, I am a woman option. So once you select that, just verify the picture. Once it's done, you have successfully added a bots on Discord server. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.